So I figured I'd talk about my last track day through this POV drive. But yeah, we recently did a track day with Club Racer events at Button Willow. It was a VTEC Club event, and that was basically my last track day of the season. My Nanking CR1s were on day 6 that day. They were definitely completely tapped out on life. So it literally felt like driving a Flintstones car, right? The wheels felt like stone. There was zero grip at all. The compound was completely gone. But it was actually really fun that way to drive this car, because usually, you know, this car is so composed and under control in every situation, but it was the first time this car felt sketchy and death trappy. Like, I feel like the day really pushed my car control because the car was just so loose, right? So I basically just went out there to drive and have fun. So I wasn't concerned about time. If I was concerned about time that day, I would have been upset, because basically everyone just kept, because it was a VTEC Club competition day, people were just like trying way too hard and full sending their cars, and basically, I'm not even kidding, every single session cars were going off and braking, and they'd have to stop the session and have the fire truck come out. I've never seen the fire truck and the tow truck come out for so many cars so often. Middle of the session? Middle of the session? What? So many cars blowing up, leaving oil on the track, blowing up at a bus stop, and just cutting everyone's session short. Like, it was just, people were just going way too hard and not respecting the limits, their limits, or the limits of their car, right? Oh, perfect. Look at those clouds. Almost getting to the picture spot.
Actually told me he likes to ride in the dirt.
Oh god.
Yeah, like he aims for it.
Yeah. So fun, guys.